Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I am going to teach you how you can share Pinterest board link or how to share Pinterest board link. So if you have any other question regarding Pinterest, you can check the description box and you watch the video there, but we are here to learn how to share Pinterest board link. So without further delay, let's get started on the video. So first of all, if you log into your account, if you have a Pinterest app, just log in from app, and if you don't, just log in from browser and website. So to share the Pinterest board link, what you have to do, just first of all tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner, this one. From here, tap on the board you have on your profile. For now I only have one board, and just click on the board you want to share the link of. From here, tap on this three dot on the top right corner. From here, tap on share board. From here, this is the copy link option. Copy is already got copied, and if you don't have copy icon, the copy link, just you can share it to someone to messenger and copy the link from there.